All right. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a product that's new to me. It's Alchemist Brimstone Wheel and Tire Cleaner from Glovebox. So we're going to check it out on these dirty wheels and tires. Let's see how it goes. Hey, and welcome back. We're going to be checking out Alchemist Brimstone Wheel and Tire Cleaner. I got this in the June 2026 Glovebox subscription box. I have never heard of this brand until I got the box, but it is a well-packaged product. I got a couple other products from them too. Their soap and their ceramic spray wax that's like a ceramic sealant. It's called silica. So I may do a video on that. That looks pretty neat. It's a 1-year ceramic spray-on coating. So anyhow, if you look at their packaging, it looks like a comic book. See our chemist guy in the middle, like a mad scientist, all the stuff he's mixing up. And this apparently can be diluted. So for extreme dirt, you use it straight. Average dirt, you dilute it 2-to-1, and maintenance is 4-to-1. So I'm going to try it straight, just since I've never used it before, just to see how strong it might be. It says spray on wheels and tires. Allow to penetrate, rinse off. Do not let dry on surface. For dirtier wheels, scrubbing may be required. Most wheels, scrubbing may be required. I've not seen one that could do an effective job knocking all off very well. So only applied to cool surfaces. It is sunny out. This wheel is out in the sun, but it is not hot. I just had my hand on it a few minutes ago just to see if it was touchable. It was not hot to the touch, so I think we're good enough to go. The air temperature is not that high, but it's just sunny. But so I think we'll be safe spraying this. I got better lighting on this side of the car, so it's a Chevrolet Trailblazer. So we're going to give this a shot straight out, and this is supposed to be, I'm presuming, a competitor to P&S Brake Buster and also Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner kicks butt because it is against all the other ones I have tried, and from what I've seen other reviewers on YouTube, it is a very well regarded product, but it's very strong. So let's see what Alchemist is like here. They even got their logo on top of the trigger here, so that's pretty cool. So we're going to spray it on here. From my understanding about this stuff, it is not it does not remove iron, so we're not going to see the purple brake dust coming off. Neither does the Adams Wheel and Tire. So here it goes. Can't recall if this has a time period that you leave it on, because some brake cleaners say leave it on tire. So while it's working here, it says it's a strong non-acid wheel and tire cleaner that's safe on most wheels. Its foam action alkaline properties cling to the surface, cleaning the dirtiest of wheels and tires with ease. So it does not say how long to leave it on. So I'm going to hit the bottom of the tire here a little bit more. That way I have better coverage to see the effect on the tires. Looks like it's already pulling some of the dirt off the tires, so that's off to a good start. So probably give it, I don't know, another 30 seconds or so. We'll hose it off and just see how much dirt it takes off naturally. Then we'll come back and give it a scrub, because I'm anticipating having to agitate this. So we'll be back here in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to give it a blast with the hose here and see what it does. So anyhow, so I'll take my finger to it, see what it pulls off. Let it dry out some here. Kind of see what it looks like, then we'll hit it and agitate, see if there's a big difference between the two. So, looks like, I'll be darned. Looks like it did a pretty good job without agitating. I mean, these are dirty wheels, but they're not filthy. So I would say these are probably medium dirty. So, all right, so I'm going to come back, we're going to agitate it, and get what's little off. I'm gonna hit the tires again just to see how clean the tires are, if it comes off white like it is after a good tire cleaner. And then we'll look at the finished product and we will wrap it up. So stay tuned, and we're gonna move to the next step here. Okay guys, this is with the hitting the wheel and tire again. You can see the it's coming out the tires is white. So I'm going to presume that the cleaner took off a lot of dirt off the tire, because usually when tires come out white, you have pulled the dirt out, old dressings and stuff like that. So we got our tire brush here. We're going to give the tire a good scrub. All right. Get our wheel face brush out here. Give the wheel a good scrub this way. So we get here and get the spokes in between, get the barrels of the wheels, because I know this is not my vehicle, so I know it has not been had a good deep clean in a while. One thing that's nice about this vehicle is it doesn't have huge brakes on it, so it is easy to clean behind the calipers and all that. It's a good job, German Motors, on that one. See, that one's too big. Let's see what else we got here. So now we'll give it a good spraying off here and see what it's like. All right, guys, it did a nice job cleaning the wheel and tire on this. It's not super grimy, dirty. I might have to play with some more, find a dirtier wheel, but it cleaned it off, and the tire was easy to scrub too. So I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, this is my first time using the Alchemist Car Care Brimstone Wheel and Tire Cleaner. I'll be honest with you, I was not expecting lots. It's a new brand, just didn't know a lot about them. It appears to be a pretty good product. You can see how clean and shiny the wheels are here. We do this. Tires are still drying out, but it did a bang-up job taking the dirt and stuff off the tires. Actually, I've removed a lot of the dirt from the wheel, which I was shocked at. It still agitated it, makes it look even better, but this seems to be a solid product. I've got 2 other products from Alchemist. We're going to try out and see how we like them, see if they're as robust as this. The other one's a soap, and supposedly is a good foaming soap. And the other one's, like I mentioned before, is a SI2 12-month spray sealant. So I'd never heard of this brand, so thanks to Glovebox for putting it in the June box. And if you like trying out new products, Glovebox is a great way to try new stuff. That's one of my downfalls for car care, is I like trying new stuff. So it's new shiny. But this is a solid one. I'd recommend that you try it. Hopefully we'll try some more Alchemist products. Thanks again for watching. Click on one of my other videos. I'll have a playlist of other wheel and tire products and another playlist. So if you like these things, click on. We'll keep watching.